Hi, welcome to week 3 of Mr. Heisner's AUT 240 class. I'm Patrick, this is my partner Sam.
Hi, I'm Sam. We've been working on throttle position sensors and ECT sensors a lot this week. Today, we're working on my 2009 Nissan Altima with a 2.5 liter engine in it. Here we have our ECT sensor right here. Our yellow is going to be our negative side or our ground side, and then our yellow pin over there is going to be our signal voltage. So here we can see that we have my black probe set up in the battery here. I'm going to take my red probe and set it on the yellow pin here, and we get about 1.16, and that is the voltage reading for the ECT.
Today we are going to be taking voltage measurements on the throttle position sensor at both the supply and the signal pins. We're going to be also doing the minimum and maximum voltage readings. Right now with the throttle closed, it should be the minimum. We're going to take the reading at the 5-volt supply, and we get 5.2 volts. Next, we're going to take the reading at the sensor signal, which is this middle pin, and we get very few volts, 0.63. So now for the maximum, we're going to open the throttle, and on the 5-volt supply, we're still going to get about a little over 5 volts. And then on the sensor signal, we're going to get almost 4 volts. And each time, the ground should be almost nothing.
Here, we are performing a sweep test on this 1999 Jeep throttle position sensor. Here, we've back probed the throttle position sensor signal, and we've also back probed the signal ground. So now, I have the black lead connected to the ground, so I'm going to take the red lead here, put it right on there, and then we're going to have Patrick open very slowly, and as we can see, as it opens, the voltage goes up, up, up until we get to 3.9. Here on our 1999 Jeep Grand Cherokee, we have a list of all of the DTCs for the throttle position sensor. Today, we're going to be doing a sweeping test on our picoscope. So we are going to unpause our picoscope. As we can tell, it's reading just above 0 volts because we have the key on. And then Patrick here is going to slowly open the throttle, and we can watch him slowly open the throttle, and we can watch as our numbers go up. Our voltage will go up and stop at 5 like we can see, and then it'll come right back down, and we don't have any repeatable glitches or anything that would be a fault in the TPS sensor system.